Good afternoon, everyone. Virgo here. It is January 8th, 2020. This is going to be my last video for today. I don't think my voice is going to hold out any longer, but I did want to update you. I know you guys absolutely hate it when there is an article with regards to something that has occurred and then you don't get a resolution on it. So, on this particular one, I want to thank Mr. Fisher, a subscriber of the Virgo Triad channel, for actually looking this up on Pacer and giving us additional information. Now, this is with regards to this particular article. I did a video on this, I believe it was last week. And this is about the group that claims that the police violated their rights during a Marlboro traffic stop. And as you guys know, we actually pulled up and looked at the affidavit that had been recorded December 5th, which is located right here if you want to look at it. Now, the party who actually filed the lawsuit is this Jamal Talib Abdullah Bey, which of course is from Rise of the Moors. And there's additional information pertaining to the individual who was pulled over and arrested that has been located in the Pacer database. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take you over to take a look at what was provided to me by the subscribers so that you can see they're not having a whole lot of luck with regards to filing lawsuits. Apparently, they don't actually know how to file a lawsuit properly. So I can't imagine that they're going to get very far with regards to this. Hang on one second here and let me pull that up for you. Okay, so you guys might remember that this is the group of individuals that felt that it was necessary to offer some form of silver versus them paying the $400 filing fee. And the this case is about to be dismissed. And the reason it's about to be dismissed is because they're refusing to pay the $400 filing fee. So the judge has put out a motion on the docket that says that if Bay wishes to proceed with this action, he must no later than Monday, April 8th, 2019, either pay the $400 filing fee or file a renewed motion for leave to proceed in forma pauperis, in which Bay provides a complete statement of all of his income and assets. Failure to comply with the order will result in a dismissal of the case without prejudice. Copy of order has been mailed to the plaintiff on March 18th of 2019 with an application to proceed in district court without prepaying fees or costs. Then, of course, as my subscriber has stated here, that within Pacer there is a case here that has already been dismissed and makes the statement, these fools do not even know how to file a proper lawsuit, let alone win one. Let them file a complaint. The police were acting lawfully, and again, this filing is as foolish as the other ones. What a failure. So the soon-to-be dismissed case is a treaty reference. Now, the funny part about this is that they like to use the peace and friendship treaty with Morocco in order to make arguments with regards to unlawful detainment, so on and so forth. And once again, it appears that that is what has happened. And being that they're using the treaty as a reference in order to try to win this suit, they will, of course, lose. There has not been any cases that have been won using that argument ever in the history, and it's been corroborated over and over again between all of the courts that that is not a defense of any sort. The actual treaty has nothing to do with their rights at all in any way, shape, or form. It has to do with traveling by ship and ports between our ports and the ports of Morocco. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And again, that reference never works as any form of argument, defense, or in other relation to any lawsuits that are filed, such as this one. For those of you that would like to take a look at the actual case that has been dismissed, which is Jabbar Bey versus Esposito et al., I will link it in the description. For those of you that have a Pacer account, you'll be able to actually look at it, and you may be able to find it elsewhere. I have not been able to at this point, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what's going on with these Rise of the Moors individuals. Once again, getting nowhere with regards to the courts, and I don't expect to see it, as it isn't something that's happened before either. Why they continue to make claims that they can do these things is beyond me, because they just simply don't work. So we're also going to be taking a look further into this. I want to be able to actually read the entire case to you guys so that you can see what the claim is here. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.